Hello everyone, currently there are many online shopping applications. Today I will introduce the AliExpress application. AliExpress was founded in 2010 and is owned by Alibaba, the large China multinational company focusing on computer e-commerce and one of the world's largest internet companies. We review the application. The interface has many functions and items for us to choose, such as phone, clothes, watches, Black Friday event. Click account, singing with Facebook. Continue. Invite friends to get a $5. Click search, email search, category, apparel format, apparel for women. Cell phone and telecommunication. Cell phone. $99. Fees. Following. Follow. Okay. Messenger. Order. Call.
Peace.